Happy anniversary to us.
Happy anniversary to you.
Happy anniversary to you. 2 years since we got married in Hawaii on the Big Island. But we're here at Aulani, which can only mean one thing if it's our anniversary.
We have to celebrate with what they say is the best meal at Aulani. Ama ama.
You're taking me to dinner at Ama Ama?
Well, you know, we share money, but yeah.
So come with us. It's going to be a little bit lighter of a vlog, but we're still going to let you see everything we eat and talk to you about it after. So come join us for dinner at Ama Ama. Yay! Happy anniversary!
Happy anniversary.
Aloha. We just got to our table here at Ama Ama. We ordered our food and we're enjoying watching the sunset while Uncle presides over the campfire in front of us.
Yeah.
I'll have to show you some of that.
Yeah. I ordered the fish of the day, the catch of the day. I did that in a mac nut brown butter sauce, which I'm so excited for.
And I couldn't decide between getting the exact same thing and I wanted mussels for an appetizer, so I just kind of decided all of that goes together into their regional fish stew. So it's going to be my dinner tonight.
Yeah, and you know, there may or may not be dessert at some point.
It's Ed. There's going to be dessert.
Maybe.
And there'll probably be drinks at Olelo later.
Also a maybe.
But there's going to be dessert because it's Ed.
So yeah, let's go check out the sunset and then watch Uncle perform over there.
Greetings from deep in the heart of Waikolohe Valley.
So pretty.
This resort is amazing.
So we finished our anniversary.
Happy anniversary again.
Happy anniversary. We finished our dinner over at Ama Ama. And
oh my goodness. Our server, Loughman, was fantastic. She's been here since the resort opened almost 8 years ago.
Yeah. And she was so insightful and she knew that menu better than most people know, like, their favorite story. It was just,
she also knew the items that weren't on the menu anymore that she missed.
Yeah. She was fantastic.
And the food was great. The atmosphere was amazing. I think I'm using the word amazing a bit, but that is Aulani.
Yeah.
We sat right there overlooking the sunset on the water. We had a great table. And we got a show from Uncle at the fire pit while we ate, playing his ukulele.
If you're not sure who Uncle is, you can see we was featured in one of our other videos where we got a DVC tour around Aulani as well.
Oh yeah, be sure to check out that DVC cultural tour video with Uncle.
Yeah, that was great. But anyway, for Ama Ama, the fish, beautifully tender and light with a macadamia brown butter, so it kind of sweetened it up.
Good.
Oh, it's delicious.
And again, apologies for not bringing you into our meal like we normally do. We did want a little bit of this trip for anniversary, so we decided anniversary dinner was a private moment for us. But we will put some photos in this video for you to kind of see what we were eating.
It was stunningly beautiful.
How about my fish stew? I got the regional fish stew.
Yeah.
There were mussels and clams and fish and such flavors.
We can't tell you how much we love vlogging and sharing all this with you. We just chose one little thing. We said, okay, let's just take dinner for ourselves tonight. I can't recommend Ama highly enough.
Agreed.
If you've ever been to a Disney signature restaurant in Disneyland or Disney World,
this beats signature restaurants tenfold.
Yeah, it sort of takes them to a whole new level because you also throw in Hawaiian hospitality and locally sourced fish and things like that that, really bring it a level up.
Ama brought everything together that we loved about Hawaii from the past and that we love about Disney being in Hawaii now, and just turned it into the restaurant that really suits us.
Yeah, if you've been to a signature restaurant and loved it, you'll love this
Ama.
plus some. Yeah.
So stay tuned, since we don't have video from our food. You're about to enjoy the sunset that we saw tonight. And if you liked our video this evening, be sure to give us a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of the uploads of all of our Hawaii videos.
Yeah, and take this video and share, because it would make a great anniversary gift.
The video or Aulani? Here comes that sunset.
Yeah, enjoy. I want to watch it myself.